Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be installing a lace front with already pre-cut bangs. I use the Ghost Bond glue to install my unit. Right now I am just cleaning up my cap, just make sure nothing's sticking up. So right here you see me just dabbing a little bit of the Ghost Bond glue, applying it to little parts of my cap, trying to get the cap to lay down, using my comb to kind of push it down just so like my cap isn't lifting up, and gotta make that cap on that head. So I'm just gonna keep repeating it on both sides. Okay, so now I am using like a powder makeup on my cap. I'm gonna put it all over my cap just so it can look more like my skin tone and melt in. So I'm just gonna keep repeating that on both sides, all over the cap, wherever the lace is gonna be or whatever my part is gonna be at. Right now I'm just gonna go over with some alcohol and I'm gonna clean up around my cap and any excess makeup that I don't need around the edges. And in this part, I have just pulled out my wig. I'm getting ready to install it. I'm gonna size it on my head first though. So I'm going to brush the wig out first before I place it on my head to see where I want it at. This wig unit is a body wave lace front with bangs. It was a 22 inch and it's 260 density, and I will leave the link down below for you to purchase it. So right here I'm just kind of adjusting the back like where I wanted it, adjusting the back straps. I still have a little complication with my cap, so right here is like where I adjust the straps at to put it on my head so it fits perfectly on my head. So now I'm going to place the wig on my head. You can see I'm kind of like brushing it back. You know, I'm going to end up moving that hair back so that I can, you know, start the whole process of actually installing the wig. So now that I have it where I want it, I'm going to pull that lace back and I'm going to just start dapping the glue around the cap and the edges of the area. So I do like little tiny daps. Well, not tiny, but like medium sized dap. Not too much, but not too little. So I did get a little bit on my lace and on the floor. Be careful using this glue because this Ghost Bond glue is like some real glue. It like your finger gonna be sticky and stuck. Like it's like super glue for the wig world. So now I'm going to pull the lace down and I'm going to try to keep it into place, and I'm going to use my comb to kind of get that lace on there. So as you can see, I'm brushing it through, just using, you know, the comb to kind of press it down until the glue pretty much dries or gets close to drying so that my wig is still in place. The Ghost Bond glue does kind of dry fast. As you can see, my finger got stuck to the comb from the glue. So now I'm going to put it back into a ponytail, push that hair back out the way, and I'm going to start cutting off the lace now that my wig is on. Now you can see me kind of like pulling and tugging at it a little bit just to make sure everything was dry. This process do use better scissors, or I know some people use like the eyebrow clippers to cut their lace off. I had to work with the scissors I had. They were kind of dull, but yeah, you know, gotta work with what you got. So this process is just, you know, cutting around where that, you know, cutting that lace off now that your wig is gone. So this next part, I'm going to use my bond glue once again and get those edges to lay down, just to make sure, my frontal, the edges of the part are not lifting. So I kind of just, dabbed a little bit of glue right there. I end up using a pencil to kind of spread it out a little bit, and then I laid it down once again with my comb. So you're gonna see me do that in 1 second. So as you can see me using my comb to kind of like press it down. I'm not exactly like pressing hard down, just kind of like running it through the hair, and then, pressing it down so the glue will stick to the lace and onto the cap. So right here, I just did my other side just to make sure it's laid down correctly. Now I'm checking it to make sure that it's on there. And now I'm going to start the whole styling process now that my wig is on. So this was kind of a difficult process due to it already having bangs. So I just kind of just, separated the bangs first and then flat iron them, just separating them from the rest of the hair. So as you can see, that's me going through with my flat irons right now, and just flat iron the bangs, little piece by piece. So I'm going to repeat that process, just separating it from the regular hair and then flat iron it down. So I know where my bangs are separated from the rest of the wig unit. So right here, I'm kind of just separating the hair again. This is just the rest of the hair that I plan on putting up in a ponytail. And I'm just separating it. As you can see, I kind of put my bangs in a ponytail just to keep it from getting into the bun. So I'm kind of just slick it up real quick. Nothing too special just yet, until I can, really get in there and style it how I want to. Now, as you can see, the bangs are pretty long, so yeah, so they do need to be clipped. Right here, I ended up messing up my ponytail, so I was trying to get that one piece of hair and fix it, just to make sure it's separated. So right here, you're gonna see me start the process of cutting the bangs. Now, what I should have done, I really should have got like some barber clippers and done it. I tried to use the real dull scissors that I had, which was not the best idea. The bangs were very long. They were like over my eyes, which was not cool. So I tried to, use the comb to kind of line up where I wanted it at. Tried to use the scissors. The scissors were not the best. So I'm just, y'all can see me getting kind of frustrated. I ended up actually pushing the bangs to the side until I could properly cut them. So right here, you just see me kind of like trying to figure out how I'm going to cut them with really dull scissors. I did end up clipping them a little bit, but nothing too much. So what I ended up doing is I ended up just clipping them a little bit, and I used my flat irons. I just pushed my bangs to the side so I could properly cut them. And I did end up actually have my boyfriend do it. And the next clip that you were going to see is just the finished, final product after the bangs were cut, and everything was how I wanted it to be, and it came out good. I loved it. So if you like this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and I'm going to put my Instagram and everything up. So I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Please come back for another. I'm going to try to post more videos. I know I haven't been posting. But yeah, everybody have a blessed day.